I just looked at my GoPro and it says I have 0 battery, so I don't know what's up with that. But this is my first ride back on my my bike after having to deal with like a braking issue for like 2 weeks. We're about to see how this foot brake works. My bike is wet because I just washed it and stuff. It's been so long since I wheelied, man. It's been probably 2-ish weeks. I don't usually upload videos right after doing them, like recording them. So whatever my last video was, I know it was like 8 or 9 days ago. And this video, shit, I don't even know when it's gonna come out. Oh, is my GoPro dead? I don't think so. Anyway, let me just go to the lot for a second. What up, bruh? Gotta go to the lot for a second because been a minute since I rode and I want to test my wheelies out. I just want to make sure this foot brake is trustable, you know. I actually need to be looking for Christmas presents, so I think that's what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna do a couple of wheelies here. Probably go back and forth like just a couple times. Maybe I'll even just take it to the lot, dude. I don't know, the actual lot. We'll do that for a second, just cause. Oh, by the way, I don't know where you guys live, but here in Texas, dude, it's like 80. Oh, it's like 75 degrees right now, almost 80. So I'm not cold at all. Did something fall out, or was it just my key hitting my leg? I think it's just the flapper thing on my key hitting my leg. We probably should check. I don't see anything. Let me just like double check everything. Get to see what the bike looks like for a second. Just want to double check everything though and make sure nothing's leaking. I don't see any noticeable issues. Probably more trustworthy than my brake was before anyway. Can't tell if it's harder to lock or not. It's probably not. It's just the fact that it used to just engage all the way at the bottom, so it felt touchy because there was no play. It was just straight grab. Oh, so first gear wheelie. Wonder if this guy's gonna come talk to me. Second gear. How cool is that, bro? Think he's gonna say anything? To be honest, I'm probably done anyway. Been fun though. I'm gonna have to replace the brake pads on this Brembo anyway, somewhat soon. They were on about like half-life when I got them, and they're still like, they got about a millimeter or two of life. Have mercy on my soul. Oh, you know what I haven't talked about, because I haven't made a video since the first video of this happening, but I got monetized. That's pretty cool. So yeah, now we're gonna get gas, and I'm probably just gonna go home. I got my my fun. Get gas, go home, get my truck, start looking around for the Christmas presents. I'm gonna wrap it up here though. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video.